Oh mommy, oh papa, what you make your mouth big? Oh mommy, oh papa, what you make your mouth big?
Hi, my name is Lucky Latte. I'm originally from Jamestown, Accra, Ghana. I am the director of the Tumantu Festival, which is an annual festival which happens every year in Jamestown. The idea for Tumantu Festival is to reinvigorate the playing and learnings of childhood games. So, how do we bring back all those old games that are fading away? I believe that a lot of these games hold history and stories of our community, and it's great. So it's great for everyone to be able to grow up with it. So some of the things that we do in the festival is we challenge kids to say the national anthem in their language. Also, we do drawing competitions, we do games like hopscotch, play cards, Alikoto, Tumantu, Ampe, Owari, Pilolo. The reason for the Tumantu is to be able to revive the past, to be able to reinvigorate past and childhood games, to be able to get kids to connect with the indigenous games. I believe these games hold a lot of history of our community and also of our country. The reason why Tumantu is so special is that it's not just for people of my age, but it's for the generation above me and also the generation before me. So when you come to Tumantu, you see all the old age or my age or the little kids kind of involved playing the games together. The games are a form of exercise. It's a way that we socialize with each other. It's got so much great benefits, which strategic way of thinking is when you look at the wiring, all that. So I thought it's great for us to pass this on to the next generation. So the festival is a 3-day festival. The first day is more for workshops and networking. The second day is the street festival where we do the games. And then the third day, we set up a platform to showcase the vibrant talents in the community. And also not just in Jamestown, but we also bring people from outside Ghana. So fund the festival for the past 3 years. So I guess the responsibilities are getting bigger, and it's getting too bigger than us. And so this year, next year we'll be calling on sponsors and partners, people who can give us a hand to make it happen, because it's getting huge and it's getting big, and we need support to keep it happening, because I believe it's a great festival, and yeah, it's something that we need to keep it happening.
It's going to be boom, it's going to be massive, it's going to be big, large, and boom to the world.